Fixing my teeth would cost a fortune back home. In Ankara, I got my smile back, and I finally eat normally again. They told you a full smile would take years and cost a small fortune. But what if the solution wasn't a miracle? What if it was medical precision, delivered in the heart of Turkey's medical capital? Welcome to Ankara, where serious medicine meets your new smile. Unlike tourist-heavy cities, Ankara is the medical capital of Turkey. It is home to the country's top medical universities, teaching hospitals, and academic specialists. Here, you're not treated by rotating staff. You're treated by professors, implantologists, and surgeons who perform these procedures every day. The result is a calmer, more focused environment where medicine comes first and recovery is uninterrupted. The standard All-on-6 solution uses 6 titanium implants to permanently anchor a full arch bridge, restoring strength, stability, and function. For patients seeking the most natural look and maximum durability, premium Zirconia bridges paired with Swiss or German implant systems deliver long-lasting results. Eligible patients can receive temporary fixed teeth within 24 to 48 hours, so you never leave Ankara without a smile. In the UK or United States, a full jaw restoration can cost $25,000 to $35,000. In Ankara, lower operational costs and direct access to academic specialists mean you receive premium European implant systems for a fraction of the price. PlacidWay partners with some of Ankara's most respected dental and hospital groups. Medicana Health Group offers JCI-accredited facilities capable of complex surgical care. Smile Zone Clinic specializes in digital smile design and advanced implant dentistry. Koru Ankara Hospital provides full hospital support, including anesthesiology and cardiology on site. Recovery in Ankara is calm, refined, and deeply cultural. Between appointments, patients enjoy a city rooted in history, without the noise and crowds of tourist centers. Stop hiding your smile. Get the academic expertise of Ankara's top implant specialists, without the Western price tag.